Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. And updates on Altlayer. Wanted to do a quick update on that. I mean, I've covered it on and on for the last week or so, or basically since it was launched. I think it's pretty interesting. I'm also invested in it, just to give you a bit of a disclaimer. But no, I mean, right now with Altlayer, I mean, it was pretty strong over the course of Monday. Yesterday was a bit of a neutral day, basically moving up and down, and today seems to be a little bit more of a bearish day. But altogether, Altlayer, after that initial rally we had at the end of last week, which obviously was also supported by the bullish momentum in the markets, since then Altlayer has kind of been consolidating, all right, which is, well, a pretty boring market situation. But one of the reasons why I'm making this video is because I do think that we can get a breakout out of that level at some point soon. So here you can see the open interest, which is not of the last week. I wanted to see it for the last week. Can I please see that if it loads? Yeah, so here you can see the momentum. So basically, after last week when we launched on the 25th, so that's not even a week ago. But since then, the momentum really increased. It peaked out around Sunday. So Sunday was also when we made these highs right here. And since then, the momentum, the open interest, has kind of been stable. It's been up and down, all right? So that's very much in line with the price. An open interest that's flat basically means that there's no momentum and that we're waiting for a breakout, all right? Because even though the open interest is flat, there is a lot of money in open positions, so that means that a lot of people are trading it. They're just waiting for some sort of a breakout. And then what I do a lot of the times is I look at where the liquidity is, because liquidity often acts as a magnet, all right? So it pulls the price towards that level. And then what you can see is that most of the liquidity, unfortunately, like most is at 40 cents, which is our main support level. So that's not the end of the world. But then outside of that, most is actually down to like 37, 38 cents right here. So unfortunately, that's not looking too great. If I would purely technically have to talk about Altlayer, what I would say is wait for a breakout either above 45 cents or below 39 cents. And 39, 40 cents, it's kind of the same level. And if I would have to give you my most likely scenario, even though I am long on alt, right? I bought this, so this is definitely not in my favor. But if I would have to give you my best advice, I would say wait for a breakout. All right, so wait for alt to either break above 45 cents, because then you can be pretty sure that will break up towards 50 cents, potentially all the way up to 55 cents up here. So wait for that level to break, or wait for 39 cents to break. And with a break, what I mean is really a candle close below and preferably one more, all right, so that it's not a fake out. And if alt breaks down below this level right here at 40 cents, and like I said, it holds it closes below that second time, then you know that we're probably going to get bearish momentum and we'll drop down lower towards 34 and 35 cents. So I would say, like, that's my best analysis. Wait for that breakout. And then most of you want to know what I think is most likely, of course. And if I would have to give you my thoughts, I mean, Bitcoin at this moment, I would say it's technically still bullish, but it could really go both ways. And then if we look at alt specifically, I would say most of the liquidity is to the downside. So I'm leaning towards a bearish breakout. But that's still remain to be seen, all right? I'll keep you updated on that, and if I have some more info, if there's some sort of a shift in the momentum, I'll definitely let you know. But for now, I think this is what you need to know. All right, so if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.